Looking for clean, studio-quality sound without spending a fortune? Meet the Edifier MR4. These aren't just budget speakers, they're true studio monitors designed for editing, mixing, and content creation. With flat, balanced sound, you hear exactly what you recorded. RCA, TRS, AUX, and headphone ports are all built in. And on the front, volume and EQ controls for quick, easy adjustments. Highs are crisp, mids are clean, bass is tight, and at just $170. It's hard to beat. Want pro-level sound without the pro-level price? Click the link in the description or comments. Edifier MR4. Sound simplified.